Greetings, greetings, greetings. Welcome to my channel where every day, 5 o'clock Jamaica time, there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So, let me ask you something. You did know, say, when God send you out and give you power over demon and power for walk pan snake and scorpion, you didn't know? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right as up. 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 10 from verse 17 to verse 24. The 72 followers them come back glad and they say, Lord, when we use your name, all the demon them do what we tell them to do. Jesus tell them, say, me did see Satan drop out of heaven like a lightning flash in the sky. Me go know the power for walk pan snake and scorpion. Me go know power, more power than where the enemy have. Nothing bad can't do no. Nobody glad said demon do when you tell them to do. When you feel glad about, I say on a name right down in a heaven. That the time the Holy Spirit caused Jesus to get happy and he said, Father, you run everything in a heaven and on earth. Me praise you. Me praise you because you are sure them sitting here to little picnic, but you hide them from people with things say them bright and have enough sense. Yes, Father. And that you did want to happen. My Father give me everything. And only the Father one really know the boy picnic. And nobody no really know the Father. Only the boy picnic one. And anybody else with the picnic want to make know the Father. Jesus carrying special follower them one side and said to them, say, God bless the people them we see, we uno see. Cause me I tell you no say, enough of God prophet them, and whole heap of king did want to see, we uno see, and hear, we uno hear, but they nay see or hear it. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.